Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, let's introduce myself. My name is Rizka Maula Agustin, and today I'm going to talk about India's foreign policy. Let's get started. A foreign policy is a policy that is formulated through strategies made by stakeholders to use decisions or actions to best those countries or the country's international political sphere. The purpose of forming a foreign policy is to realize the interest of a country, to maintain the relationship of a country with other communities, to make economic interests more successful, to increase its influence in the international world, and solely for the sake of realizing the interests of a country. The formulation of policies must be formulated in two ways. The first is national interest and the second is contribution to the international world. One of India's foreign policies that is being emphasized at this time is to strengthen its relation with countries in Asia. Over the past several decades, India's various foreign policy initiatives have undergone profound change. India's new global image today envisages a more mature, healthy, and efficient force advancing diplomatic initiatives. The country has pragmatic and proactive goals. Shapers, not waiters. Stabilizers are not bullies. Net security provider and global provider of goods. In foreign policy, words matter. Therefore, this new initiative to further advance India precisely encapsulates the current form and trajectory of foreign policy in a world undergoing an unprecedented transformation. Foreign policy implemented by the Indian state. The following are among them. The first is farmers and stable makers. The second is diplomatic range. The third is diplomacy for New India. The fourth is forming a global agenda. And the last is India trademarks as economic policy. The first is farmers and stable makers. A new India is now emerging in the second decade of the 21st century, proactively shaping the international agenda on variety of cross-cutting issues, including climate change, sustainable development, counterterrorism, maritime security, and reconfiguring the global governance architecture. The way India will be a country that carries its capacity to support the international system for the global good. The second is diplomatic range. As India's global status continues to increase, the Indian government has also initiated a diplomatic outreach to mobilize international support for national revival. In an evolving multipolar world, India has opted for a multi-alignment path which requires issues-based alignment with like-minded countries and world powerhouses. The third is diplomacy for New India. What animates this diverse diplomatic outreach is the mantra of diplomacy for the country's development. Foreign policy has now been focused on utilizing a network or partnerships with all friendly countries to create a new India in 2022, precisely on India's 75th Independence Day. Forging strong and sustainable partnerships in the fields of technology, innovation, and startups will be essential to realizing a new India and earning India recognition on the global stage. The fourth is forming a global agenda. Looking to the future, with a growing global status and ever-increasing hopes from the world from the rise of India. India has also been at the forefront of fighting climate change by upholding its commitment under the Paris Agreement and taking a series of initiative to promote a low-carbon economy. In recognition of the role of the New Delhi leader in this field, many countries are now joining the International Solar Alliance, which seeks to bring about a wide revolution for a clean and green world. And the last is India trademarks as an economic policy. In building the new India, the ethnic powers of the Indian state, which are spread across various countries and continents, will play their important role in charting the path forward. Cultural diplomacy and civilizational values will gain a greater position in India's foreign policy. Looking to the future, as India affirms its rise to global status, India must never stop asserting its strategic economy as India navigates its geopolitical competition to make independent decisions that will also benefit the entire population of the country. This will require intertwined diplomacy with development and foreign policy, intertwined with the vision of a real India as a leading force with a unique voice and narrative in a rapidly changing world order. India Way is really going to become an Indian brand, the Indian brand in a way that is unique to us as a strength of the ethnicity, culture, and great heritage of India. That's all I can say about India's foreign policy. Thank you for your attention. See you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.